x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 means a line which is parallel to y-axis. And non-negative restrictions, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. First step is convert the inequalities into equalities and find out the values of A, B, C, D, the points. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Operation Research class or class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. In my last class, I have discussed regarding the solving a linear programming problem using graphical method. In this session also, I am going to discuss few more problems to solve using graphical method. So, to solve a linear programming problem using graphical method. Now, let us consider the first problem. Solve the following LPP using graphical method. Minimize z is equal to x minus 7y plus 190 subjected to the constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 8, x is less than or equal to 5, y is less than or equal to 5, x plus y is greater than or equal to 4, and non-negative restrictions, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So here 4 equations are given. X plus y is less than or equal to 8, x is less than or equal to 5, y is less than or equal to 5, and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So now the first step is, let us convert all these inequalities into equalities. Now consider the solution. I will start the solution. Now consider the first equation. What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 8. And the second equation is, let me take this as the second equation, x plus y is equal to 4. And next, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. These are the constraints, these are the conditions given. Now first convert the given constraints to inequalities to equalities. Now as usual, put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 8. Therefore, the coordinates of the point A is equal to 0, 8. Similarly, put y is equal to 0 in this equation. You will get x is equal to 8. Therefore, the point B is equal to 8, 0. So, by solving equation number 1, line 1, you will get A and B. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 4. Therefore, C is equal to 0, 4. Again, put y is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 4. Therefore, other coordinate D is equal to 4, 0. So, by solving these two equations, we are going to get the value of A, B, C and D, the coordinates. Now here, what is given? The given condition is x is less than or equal to 5 means x is equal to 5. Now, let us represent this in a graph. Let me represent this in a graph. A 0, 8, B 8, 0, C 0, 4, D 4, 0 and x is equal to 5 a line and y is equal to 5 a line. So, the graph is, from this we are getting the points. Therefore, the points are the corner point. The points, what are the points? A is equal to 0, 8, 0, 8, B is equal to 8, 0 and C 0, 4, C 0, 4 and D 4, 0 and the lines x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. Now let us draw the graph for this. This is x-axis, y-axis, origin 0, 0. Consider the scale on x-axis and y-axis, on x-axis and y-axis. Consider 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now let us consider each unit is equal to 1 centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maximum we have 9. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let us come to the first point. What is the first point? A 0, 8. X is 0, Y is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is A. 0, 8. B, what is B? 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B, 8, 0. Now draw the line. Draw a straight line which passes through these 2 points. So let us represent this. Now what is the curve? This curve is nothing but actually x plus y is less than or equal to 8. X plus y is less than or equal to 8 means the feasible region is towards the origin. It will go downwards towards the origin. Now what is C? C is equal to 0, 4. X is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 4. This is C. What is D? D 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is D. Now just draw a straight line. What is this curve? This is nothing but x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. This is greater than or equal to 4 means it will goes away from the origin. Now what are the lines given? X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 means a line which is parallel to y axis. X is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is x is equal to 5. And another line y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 means which is a line parallel to x axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. This is the line. This is nothing but y is equal to 5. Now, since what is the condition given? X is less than or equal to 5. Y is also less than or equal to 5. X is less than 5 means this is towards this direction. This is this direction. And y is less than 5 means this direction. So therefore, this is the shaded region. Yes, this was a line not as rubber. So this is the feasible region. Now what are the points? What are the corner points? Now we are getting here. So the corner points are, let us represent this. This is O 0, 0 and again C. What is C? C is equal to 0, 4. Then D, here D it is. D is 4, 0. Then D, this is 1 point. Let us represent A, B, C, D. This is E, this is F, this is G and this is H. Okay, these are the corner points. Now, what is G, what is F, what is E, what is H? So here, since this is nothing but a line which is nothing but x is equal to 4. So, when x is equal to 5, this is not 4, this is x is equal to 5. So when x is equal to 5 is in contact with this line, so that is x plus y is equal to 4. Sorry, x plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus x, that is 8 minus 5 is 3. Y is equal to 3. So therefore the point, what are the points? The first point we are going to get it as E. E is equal to x is 5, y is 3. E is equal to 5, 3. Similarly, come to this. Here F, y is equal to, so since for F, this is nothing but a line, y is equal to, this is y is equal to 5. This is not x is, this is x is equal to 5. This is y is equal to 5. Now, y is 5 and what is the value of x? Since this line also touches this equation, substitute here when x plus y is equal to 8. What is x? X is equal to 8 minus 5. That is y is equal to 5. X is equal to 3. You will get this as 3, 5. One point is 5, 3. Other point is 3, 5. Now find out the value of h. What is h? This h is in contact with this line. That is y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 and whereas x is equal to 0, 0, 5. And finally what we want? So h, f, e and another corner point g. G, x 1, 2, 3, 5. and y is equal to 0. This is 5, 0, 0, 5. So these are the corner points. Now therefore, the corner points are, I'll go to the next page. The corner points are, therefore, the corner points are O 0, 0. Then come to this C 0, 4. D. What is D? D 4, 0. C, D. Again G. G is 5, 0. Then E. What is E? 5, 3. Then after E, we'll get F. F is 3, 5. Then again, what is the last point? H 0, 5. These are the corner points. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corner points. So that is, see here, the corner point 0, 0, C 0, 4, D 4, 0, G 5, 0, E 5, 3, F 3, 5, and the last point H is 0, 5. Substitute these value in the given objective function, you will get the required answer. So what is the objective function? The objective function is minimize Z. Minimize Z is equal to, what is that? X minus 7y plus 190. X minus 7y plus 190. Substitute here. Substitute at 0, 0, O 0, 0, Z is equal to 0. At, what is the point? C 0, 4 implies Z is equal to, substitute, what is X? X is equal to 0 minus 7 into Y is equal to 4 plus 190. This is 190 minus 7 4s are 28. This is equal to 162. Okay. Next, at D. D is 4, 0 implies Z is equal to 4 minus 7 into 0 plus 190. This is 190 plus 4. That's equal to 194. 194 at 4, 0. Now at 5, this is gone, this is gone. At G. What is G? 5, 0. Z is equal to, X is 5 minus 7 into 0 plus 190. This is equal to 190 plus 5 is equal to 195. Now at 5, 3, E. Z is equal to 5 minus 7 into 3 plus 190. That's equal to 190 plus 5 is 195 minus 7 3s are 21. So this is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. Then again 9 minus 2 is 7 and 1. This is 174. Now next, at F 3, 5, Z is equal to 3 minus 5 into 7 plus 190. This is 193 minus 35. What is this equal to? 195 minus 35. Simplify this. So this is equal to 158. 158. Now at the last point H, what is H? 0, 5. We have Z is equal to, X is 0 minus 7 into Y is 5 plus 190. This is 190 minus 35 is equal to 155. Now these are the required values. Now what is required to find? So minimum of Z. What is minimum of Z here? The minimum value is 155. This is the minimum value, 155. The minimum value is 155 at 0, 5. So the minimum value is 155 at 0, 5. This is the minimum value. So therefore, the minimum value is 155 at, What are the points? 0, 5. This is the required solution for the given LPP problem. That's it. Hope you followed this. Now let us come to the next problem. This is same. Solve the following linear programming problem using graphical method. So what is given? Max z. Objective function is maximum z is equal to x plus 1.5 into y subjected to the constraints. Now let us simplify this by writing the given equations, writing the given inequalities into equalities. We will get x plus 2y is equal to 160 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 240. These are the two inequalities. First convert the inequalities into the equalities. Now put x is equal to 0. You will get 2y is equal to 160, y is equal to 80. Therefore, a is equal to 0, 80. Now put y is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 160. Therefore, the point B is equal to 160, 0. These are the 2 points. A is 0, 80, B 160, 0. Now, come to the second equation. Put x is equal to 0. You will get 2y is equal to 240. Y is equal to 240 by 2 is 120. Therefore, C is equal to 0, 120. Again, put y is equal to 0. You will get 3x is equal to 240. X is equal to 240 divided by 3. This is nothing but 80. So, therefore, the other point D is equal to 80, 0. These are the points. Now, let us represent this in a graphical sheet, graph sheet. That's it. This is x-axis, y-axis, and the origin 0, 0. Now, let us consider a scale, suitable scale on x-axis and y-axis 20 units. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. So then this is 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. Similarly, this is 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Now what is the first point? A 0, 80. 0, 80. X is 0, y is 80. It is A 0, 80. Now what is another point? B is equal to 160, 0. 160, x is 160, y is equal to 0. This is 160, 0. Now write a straight line. This is. What is the curve here actually? X plus 2y is less than or equal to 160. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 160 means the shaded region is towards the origin. Now next, come to the next point. What is B? What is C? C 0, 120. 0, x is 0, y is 120. This is C 0, 120. And what is D? D is equal to 80, 0. 80, 0. Now draw a line. Now what is this curve? 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 240. This is this will also goes in this direction. Therefore, the shaded region, this is the feasible region. This is the feasible region. This is the feasible region. Now find out the corner point. So O, then D, A, and let us represent this as E. A, B, C, D, E. Find out E. What is E? If you solve these two equations, you will get solving solving the two equations. First one is x plus 2y is equal to 160. Another one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 240. Simplify this, subtract. What you will get? Minus minus minus. Minus 2x is equal to, this is 160 minus 240 is equal to minus 80. Therefore, x is equal to minus 80 by minus 2 is 40. Now, x is equal to 40. Now, from x plus 2y is equal to 160. What is required to find is 2y is equal to 160 minus x. That is 160 minus x is 40. This is equal to 120. 2y is equal to 120. Therefore, y is equal to 120 by 2 is 60. Therefore, the required point E is equal to, what is E? E is equal to x is 40, y is 60. So, this is 40, 60. Suppose if you draw this in a graph sheet, straight away you can find out this point E will cut this point. So, x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 60. Straight away you can write if you mark neatly on the graph sheet. Instead of solving, straight away you can put the point of contact E. Now, substitute this point. Now, what are the corner points here? The corner points are 0, 0, A is 0, 80, E 40, 60, and this point D 80, now I will go to the next page. Therefore, the corner points are O 0, 0, then A, what is A? 0, 80, and E, what is E? E is 40, 60, and then the last point is D. D is 80, 0. Now, what is the objective function? Z is equal to, what is it? Max Z is equal to x plus 1.5 into y. Max Z x plus 1.5 into y. This is the objective function. X plus 1.5 into y. Now, at this point, at 0, Z is equal to 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. At this, Z is equal to, x is 0 plus 1.5 into y. What is y? 80. So, this is nothing but 1.5 into 80. 80 plus half of 80 is 40. This is equal to 120. 80 plus 40 is 120. Again, at this point, 40, 60, Z is equal to, what is x? X is 40 plus y is 1.5 into 60. So, this is equal to 40 plus 60 plus 30 is 90. This is equal to 130. Now, at 80, 0, Z is equal to 80 plus 1.5 into 0 is equal to 80. Now, what is the intention? So, to get the maximum value, maximum Z. Here the maximum value is, this is the maximum value. So, therefore, this is the maximum value. Therefore, the maximum value is 130 at the point E 40, 60. That's it. 40, 60. At 40 and 60, the maximum value is 130. So, the maximum value is 130 at 40, 60. Followed. Now, let us come to the next problem. Same type, solve the following LPP using graphical method. Same type problem. What is given? Maximize Z is equal to 3x plus 5y subjected to x is less than or equal to 4, 2y is less than or equal to 12, and 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 18, and non-negative restrictions, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Now, let us convert these inequalities into equalities. First one is x is less than or equal to 4 implies x is equal to 4, and here 2y is equal to 12, y is equal to 12 by 2 means 6, y is equal to 6, and the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. Now solve this. Put x is equal to 0. You will get 2y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 18 by 2 means 9. So let us consider this as the first point. A is equal to 0 comma 9. Again put y is equal to 0. You will get 3x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 3 is 6. Therefore the other point B is equal to 6 comma 0. These are the points. Now let us represent the points on the graph sheet. Write down the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, origin. Let us consider the scale. What is the maximum value we have? 9. So scale on x-axis and y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what is the first point? A. A 0 comma 9. X is 0, y is 9. X is 0, y is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A 0 comma 9. What is B? 6 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw a straight line. So what is this? 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 18. This is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. Since less than it goes in the down. The feasible region is towards the origin. Now what are the next points given? X is equal to 4 means let us consider this point as x is 4, y is 0. Call it as C. X is C. What is C? 4 comma 0. X is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. X is equal to 4. Then next, what is another line? See, this is D. X is 0, y is 6. C 0 comma 6 is D. X is 0, y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is another line. Y is equal to 6. Okay. Now, here what is the condition given? X is less than or equal to 4. 2y is less than or equal to 6. X is less than or equal to 4 means here it is. That is x is less than or equal to 4 means this side, and y is less than or equal to side. This is the feasible region. This is the feasible region. Now what are the corner points? 0 comma 0 and this point, this point, this point and this point. Now let us represent these points as, call it as E and F. What is E now here? Since the value of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, x is equal to 4, and the value of y, since here the value of y is equal to, just substitute on this equation. Here, since the line is 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 18, that is 18, substitute the value of x is equal to 4, put x is equal to 4, you will get 2y is equal to 18 minus 3x, that is 18 minus 3 into 4, that is 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12 is nothing but 6, 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. So therefore the point E is equal to 4 comma 3. This is 4 comma 3. Now similarly, to find this point F, since y value is known, y is equal to 6, since this line, again substitute the value, again this line touches this equation 3x plus 2y, put y is equal to 6 in the same equation, you will get 3x is equal to 18 minus 2 into 6. That is nothing but 3x is equal to 18 minus 12, that is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3 is 2. This is 2 comma 6. So these are the values. So therefore the corner points are I'll go to the next page. The corner points are O 0, 0. Next O. Then what is the point we have given for this? This is B. B, what is B? 0, 6 and F, E and this. Okay. O, A. A is 4, 0. Then OA, E 4, 3. Then F 2, 6 and the last point B 0, 6. These are the corner points. Here, listen to me. See, these are the corner points. 0, 0, A 4, 0, E 4, 3, F 2, 6 and B 0, 3. Now substitute this. What is the objective function? Maximize Z is equal to 3x plus 5y. So max Z 3x plus 5y. Substitute here. Now at the corner points implies Z is equal to 0. At 4, 0 implies Z is equal to 3 into 4 plus 0. This is equal to 12. At 4, 3 Z is equal to 3 into 4 plus 5 into 3. That's equal to 12 plus 5 3s are 15. This is equal to 27. At 2, 6 Z is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5 into 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 6 are 30. That's equal to 36. Now at 0, 6 Z is equal to 3 into 0 plus 5 into 6, that is 0 plus 30. This is equal to 30. Now just verify, check which is the maximum value here. That's it. Now what is the maximum value? This is the maximum value. So the maximum value is 36. Therefore maximum value is 36 at, what are the points? At 2, 6. That is, therefore the function is maximum is equal to 36 at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. That's all. The maximum value is 36 at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. Solve the following LPP using graphical method. Minimize Z is equal to 5x plus 4y subjected to the constraints. 6x plus 4y is less than or equal to 24. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. Minus x plus y is less than or equal to 2. And x is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Now let us convert the inequalities into equalities first. Now here the given equation can be written as 6x plus 4y is equal to 24. X plus 2y is equal to 6 and minus x plus y is equal to 1. Now first step is convert the inequalities into equalities and find out the values of A, B, C, D, the points. Now when x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 by 4, 6, this is 6. Therefore A is equal to 0, 6. Similarly, put y is equal to 0, you will get 6x is equal to 24, x is equal to 24 by 6 means 4 times it will get cancelled. So x is equal to 4, therefore the point B is equal to 4, 0. Now here come to this equation. X is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3, therefore C is equal to 0, 3. Put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6, therefore D is equal to 6, 0. Similarly, put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 1, therefore DE, E is 0, 1, 0, 1. Put y is equal to 0, you will get minus x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, therefore DE, F is equal to minus 1, 0. These are the points. Now let us represent these points on a graph sheet. That's it. This is the graph sheet. X-axis, Y-axis, X dash axis, Y-axis. Now 0. Take the scale as usual. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both X-axis as well as Y-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is -1, -2. -1, -2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now what are the points? Let us take the points first. What is A? A is 0, 6. B is 4, 0. 0, 6. A is 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 0, 6. What is B? 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. B 4, 0. Draw a line. What is this line? This is nothing but 6x plus 4y less than or equal to 24. 6x plus 4y is less than or equal to 24 means the feasible region is downwards towards the origin. Now the second point. What is C? C 0, 3 and 6, 0. C 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. This is C 0, 3. And what is D? D is 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D 6, 0. Now draw a line. This is the line. So where it goes? What is the condition given? The second line is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. This is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. Again this will also comes in the downward direction. Okay. Other point is E 0, 1. E 0, 1. X is 0 and 1. This is E. X is 0 and 1. And F. What is F? F is -1, 0. F is X is -1, 0. This is F. Draw this line. This is nothing but what is the curve we have? -x plus y. This is -x plus y is less than or equal to 1. This is the feasible region. Now what are the points? The final points for this are O 0, 0. This is one point, and E another point, and there are 2 points. It intersects at these 2 points and this point. Now therefore the corner points are O 0, 0, then B 4, 0, then what is this? Let us represent this as G and H. Let us find out the value of G and H. G and H, and the last point is E. E is equal to 0, E is equal to 0, 0, 1. So on solving these 2 equations, these 2 lines, you are going to get the value of G and H. So or from the graph itself, if you want, you can check this G. Draw the graph properly. This will cut at 2, 2, and H. See, this will cut the x-axis at 3 and the y-axis at 1.5. Similarly, if you come to this point, this will cut the x-axis at 2 and y-axis at 2. And what is this point? This is C. C is nothing but already given. So G is 2, 2 and H is 2, 2. G is equal to not G. G is 3, 1.5. Here it is. One more point is here. This is G, H and I. What is I? I is X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 2. I 1, 2. So the corner points are 0, these are the corner points 0, this point, E, I, H, G, and B. These are the corner points. Now, let us represent, just simplify what is the maximum and minimum value you are going to get. What is the objective function? Minimize z is equal to 5x plus 4y. Now, minimize z, minimum value, minimize z is equal to 5x plus 4y. Now, what are the corner points? The corner points are O, 0, 0. I will take in order. E, B, 4, 0. Then G, 3, 5, 3, 1.5. Then H, 2, 2. Then E, 0, 1. Then I, 1, 2. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now substitute here. At this, at 0, 0 implies z is equal to 0. This implies 5 into 4 plus 0. This is 20. This implies z is equal to 5 into 3 plus 4 into 1.5. This is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 1.5 into 4. So that is nothing but 4 plus 2, 6. This is equal to 21. Again, at what is the point? Now at H, z is equal to 5 into 2 plus 4 into 2. 10 plus 8, this is equal to 18. Now at 0, 1, 5 into 0 plus 4 into 1. This is 0 plus 4 is 4. And the last point at I, z is equal to 5 into 1 plus 4 into 2. This is 5 plus 8. That's equal to 30. Now what is required to find is the minimum value. What is the minimum value? Find out the minimum value. The minimum value is 4. This is the minimum value. This is the minimum value. So therefore, minimum value is 4 at what are the point? 0, 1. Suppose if you want to find the maximum value, what is the maximum value? This is the maximum value. In the examination, if they ask find the maximum value, we can mark this as the maximum value. So therefore, maximum value is 21 at 3, 1.5. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1.5. At x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, the minimum value is 4. At x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1.5, the maximum value is 21. So this is how we are going to solve the linear programming problem graphical method. Hope you followed. Just represent this in a graph sheet. Definitely you will get the exact points like these points, that is G, H and I. Okay. Now let me check what are the given conditions. 6x plus 4y is less than or equal to 24. And x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6, minus x plus y is less than or equal to 1, and one more constraint is there, that is y is less than or equal to 2. So here y is less than or equal to 2 means y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means x is 0 and y is equal to 2 is the point where we are going to get x is 0, y is equal to 2 means this is the line. So here this is y is equal to 2. Now, therefore, if I substitute all these points, then I am going to get the corner points as 0, 0, B 4, 0, G 3, 1.5, H 2, 2, and E 0, 1, and I 1, 2. So, therefore, the function is maximum at 3, 1.5, the maximum value is 21, and minimum at 0, 1, the minimum value is 4. So, the very important corner points are 0, 0, this, I, this, and G and B. So, 0, E, and again this is E, I, and again H, G and B are the corner points. 0, 0, then 4, 4, 0, 3, 1.5, 2, 2, and this I is equal to 1, 2 here, and H. So this is how we are going to solve a linear programming problem using graphical method. Okay, this is the solution. So that's regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next class. Thank you.